Yo, let me see a headbutt.
A headbutt?
Would you look at this, YouTube? You guys wonder why I don't record every step because I walked in the other room and the motor was out.
That's because you're slow.
No, don't try to play me. Where's the motor, bro?
Right there.
You guys seen the motor was just in? That was like, what, 2 minutes ago? Now the motor's out.
Don't you want your hose?
You want the hose? You really screwed me today. No, you screwed the rest of the month. I'm not even gonna lie. I'll keep it down because if I say something else, probably more projects will keep going on.
That's okay. That's what we want, right?
No,
Stay busy.
No. So the motor's out of this car. That's what we did today. You took it out. It's not even lunchtime yet. Is it? Yeah, it is lunchtime. 12 o'clock. Motor's out.
I gotta pull suspension. I got the front. Fronts out. I gotta put the rears.
$10 offer still on, right, for the quarter panel?
Oh, for sure. Yeah.
So now the car is ready to be sold because we don't want this. Well, you wanted it. I don't want it.
Wait till I drop my YouTube video.
Okay. You're gonna do some body work on here?
On
show me that paint match on your channel.
I got you.
And if you guys don't follow JR's channel, make sure to follow my boy's channel. Free body work for the next 10 subscribers.
Probably.
Yeah, you do that?
No. Read the fine print.
I'm gonna read the fine print on it because it's fucked over there. You guys see that? Over there is completely fucked.
Yeah, this shop usually doesn't look like this. It's pretty rough.
No, it doesn't look like this because look at all that coolant on the floor.
That was when a Met came. He was like, yo, let me help you. And he just fucking pulled the hose and it just fucking went everywhere.
You don't look too happy, huh? This was like 3 o'clock here. Your attitude done completely changed from this morning till now. You still all game to do all these case swaps?
I can't do anything.
Yeah, what happened to the yellow car?
That shit's out back ready for sale, so if anybody needs it, hit us up. It's gonna go quick.
Can you show me the yellow car?
The yellow car?
Yeah, I want to see the yellow car. Is it stripped?
It's fucking stripped.
Where's the motor?
I think it looks better than when it came in.
That's how these cars usually are. Remember the red shit? She got a wire tucking out.
Damn, this shit got an upgrade?
Yeah, we put a lift kit on it, 3-inch lift kit. We'll probably wash it up. I don't know.
Yo,
I'm still waiting.
You
for
put wheels on this shit?
Yeah, we get people right over here, you know?
One dude in the comments said he'll buy the shell if you do the $10 repair.
I told them, so it's $10 on whatever.
I'll give you the $10 just to see it.
Alright.
When you want to do this?
Whenever. We do that shit today. Somebody needs suspension. Yo, these shits all metal, all original.
This ain't original.
You ain't getting that in New England.
Yeah, you got like a
$10.
got like an inch of
$10.
bond.
You don't even know what's there.
Inch of bondo on that shit. How much bondo's on here?
Nah, this shit right here. YouTube, you guys gotta wait for this.
This shit's a shit box.
It's alright.
You're lucky I don't kick the quarter panels in on this thing.
I dare you right now.
Hold on. I'll take a piece off it.
No. Yo, you kick like a little bitch.
I don't want to put a hole.
Yo, Ahmed, come here.
Don't.
No.
Don't influence him to do some dumb shit.
Yeah, you know what he said? He's like, I'm gonna kick the quarter panel on this car.
I didn't want
then he was like this.
I didn't want to ruin it.
Let me see a kick. That's my fucking boy. That's a fucking kick
that's
right
what we
there.
doing then?
Yeah. Yo, Kev, come here.
I got rid of all the bondo.
Yo,
bro.
These pussies think they could kick. Look, let me see
You
something.
see the bondo?
Let me see something. Wepa! Damn!
But you're supposed to kick the bondo, not the panel. You should kick that part of the quarter panel.
Is this?
Again. This up? Yeah, you go ahead and just kick the.
Yo, is this car totaled?
Oh no, it's gonna be totaled after you kick it now. Let me see your kick.
I'll go grab a hammer.
Fucking go to the fucking door.
Nah, no hammer. We all use our leg, bro.
Nah, I need my legs.
There's still a piece of quarter left right here for you. You can kick this part right here.
Nah, I need the taillight though. Don't kick the taillight.
Damn. Yo.
How's that?
Somebody's gonna be pissed. I'm like, oh, I would have bought the car.
It's not for sale. This one. This is the biggest fucking turd. It's not for sale. But it's gonna be
We
good
got
when we're
something
done.
really special for this.
Whose man's did this body work? It was one of y'all.
J-Rock did.
That's that $10 body work? No fucking way.
I could probably blend this into that car.
Yo, this shit had hella rust. And someone was trying to buy this shit for $2,500. How much Bondo's left you think under there? Just that section? Not too much Bondo left in there.
It's fucking mint.
One owner, never been abused. Yeah, I thought you wasn't allowed back over here.
Yo, I came to, I'm a new employee. I got hired.
What up? You got any home in your pants?
Nah, look me.
You don't got no. Nah, I ain't putting the camera down.
I ain't got no holes in these pants, baby.
Nah, now you need to put a hole in his shit because he.
No, that's just our gauge.
Oh yeah, I don't want that.
Yo, take a walk with me real quick.
Where we going?
How many K-swaps are in this shop?
Truthfully?
Yeah, dead ass on the floor. J-Rock done did us dirty today though.
Yeah, J-Rock, why you wilding over here, bro?
You know what he's good at?
What up?
He's good at stripping shit, not putting shit back together.
That's why there's so many parts and not so many cars running.
Yo, we took I think 2 out, right? There was one right here,
It look like it's 504 over. No, 5. We got
4 here. They're working on one outside.
Yeah, it's like Chuck and Eddie's over here.
It ain't, no, it's better than Chuck and Eddie's, but he's good at taking shit apart and not putting it back together, right?
You feel disrespect?
You push it up and don't push it down.
Why do I clock in for this stuff?
You push it up and not push it down.
That ain't that ain't right, right?
Nah, that ain't right, yo. What's good?
Yo, come here, walk outside with me real quick. You seen what he did to the hatchback though, right?
Which hatchback is this?
I was so pissed off today. You don't even want to look at that shit.
Is this the one
You might as well give it a go too.
He punched it?
Bro, look at the quarter pin. Look at the driver's side quarter pin and what happened to it.
God damn!
You might as well just give it a kick too, bro.
it?
Yeah, kick it. Go ahead. Yo, give it. No, not the door. Just give the quarter pin another kick, bro. You can
I'm
even.
gonna tell y'all what Miyagi showed me. Miyagi-san!
Yo, let me see a headbutt.
Let me see, son, Rock.
Yo, Rock.
Oh, Rock, you know you got the anger.
Murdered.
There ain't no more
You got
Bondo.
the anger.
There ain't
You
no.
got the anger.
There ain't no
Come
more Bondo in there,
Damn.
bro.
Damn. Somebody still buy this.
How much?
It ain't for sale.
It ain't?
Nah,
gonna
it,
turn this
it
into
ain't for
something
sale. That
wild,
shit over
bro.
there for sale.
Oh, it is. Bumblebee Jr. is definitely for
Yo,
sale.
that shit was running this morning.
I remember this shit.
But Jarek put his taillights on here. He put his wing from his
Ain't these his
hatchback.
wheels from his car?
Yeah, and I think he swapped the quarter panel from his car. We ain't kicking. We ain't kicking this one.
Somebody already kicked it. Looks like. Oh shit! They ain't getting no 10s.
Oh, you taking the 10s out?
Yeah. No 10s left behind.
No 10s left behind. We need
Yo.
those.
Okay, boys, I need you guys to drop in the comments who you guys think had the best kick. They pretty much shot this quarter panel up. It's pretty much totaled here, but we have big plans for this car. As you guys see, it had a lot of rust. It has a lot of rust here. A lot of Bondo still here. Super rusty in that area. I think the rockers are pretty much shot. Same thing on the other side. But I'll give you guys a hint. We do not need the body on this car for the next project. We do need the car also, but we're gonna strip this complete car. Have big plans for it. I need you guys to subscribe to the channel. Come summertime, maybe come end of May, this car we should be getting started on it. So make sure to hit that subscribe button.